Hey you guys, back with another video. Now I'm finna try my chicken alfredo I made homemade. It's done and everything. I just finished cooking this and I also made me a homemade salad. So can I let you guys see this with this show? Hold on you guys. Y'all see that salad I made? And this is my alfredo. So I got some croutons on the side. My kitchen is a mess, so I got up early and I decided that I was going to cook dinner. And it's early, you guys, because once again we're expecting some inclement weather. Excuse me, around 8:30 they issued us under a tornado watch. Now I had got up because I really start at 9 o'clock at work. I got up, put my clothes on, and getting ready to go. Once that came on that TV and started beeping and flashing, we under a tornado watch. I took my work clothes back off, hung them back up, and I'm good. Because I don't deal with that weather quite well. Nobody do. And it's early in the season. It's just April 5th. And I just can't be bothered because that's a lot of stress. And then I was watching the Weather Channel. The tornadoes just hit in Missouri, and they said multiple fatalities. And that's the same system that's heading up this way. So I have to, safety is first, always. Get me something to drink, you guys. Something to drink. Let's see. So safety is first. And that job gonna always be there. Something happen to you, they're gonna replace you. That's just how life is. So safety is first. I have a birthday next week. My son graduates college May 7th. I want to be around to experience those things. Oh, that orange juice take a long time. Whew. Okay, so I'm finna try this while it's still hot. I'm just gonna get a little because it's still early. And I ate breakfast. Can you see that? Okay. Do y'all see that? Okay. So, and I just threw this bonnet back on my head. My hair is still down. Okay, so here you go. And I put black pepper on it and some parsley flakes and everything. So here we go. It's seasoned real well. It's creamy. I taste the cream cheese in it. So that's a thumbs up. So I just made a small pot. So when my son get up, I might eat me a small bowl, probably around 1 o'clock. And but I'm mainly going for the salad. But just try to eat something as early as we can and prepare. I got my flashlights, my batteries, and everything I need. So we have to take shelter, you guys. So I just stopped in to show you what I had cooked. Something simple, something real small. Just a really small pot of chicken alfredo, homemade. And me a homemade chicken salad. So I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back later with another video. And bye-bye for now.